Here we've got OPPO A15s, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, just open the messages, then click on Start Chat. And as you can see, currently we are set up with English. Whenever you'd like to change the keyboard language, tap on Settings, go to Languages, and click on Add Keyboard. And here you can pick whatever you want. Let me pick Russian, tap on Done. Then we can remove the particular language that you would like to get rid of, so the previous one. And as you can see, the keyboard language has been already changed, so now you can smoothly use it. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.